I'll say good afternoon. What I have here today is here by my steppies by the outside is a loose brick, because you tend to step on here to go here to the veranda, and then it's like everybody step here, and then this thing came loose. It's like, but it's difficult to fix it with cement. Then I drilled some holes here right through, and then I put some rods in, but it's still a bit wiggly, and I'm scared it's gonna cause, look here, issues. One of these sides already came off. Here's the rod, so I just have to stick it back. And then I asked by the shop, and then they gave me this Soudal fix all. It's like a silicone type of thing. This is made for typical jobs like this. You glue a brick or something where you can't use cement. So I'm gonna put this inside here and then let it dry and see how it goes. So you can see here all the crack here and here. Okay, so let's do it. Now you put it in your chalking gun, and then I'm gonna just cut off the front piece here with a knife. Okay, let's try. So here it goes. Have to squeeze it in every way. Okay, when you finish, you just wet your finger, and then you just go and you just smooth it out. It's a bit grey. You used to get a black color also, but I think on a white, I think this grey, after it's dirty, it will like blend in with the stuff a little bit more. Just need to fix this thing here, and let's see. Now this piece coming this side, but I think it's not fitting nicely. I'll have to grind this a little bit out to fit here. But that I'll do now. Some ground, maybe just while it's wet. Let's go put it in here to make it blend a little bit better. It doesn't look so obvious. I have to do this side also. See, now with the ground, it's gonna blend in a little bit, as I say, a little bit better. It doesn't look so obvious. Here where the people can see. And I just have to go cut this thing, and then I'm finished. Okay, I'm gonna take the angle grinder and just cut this a little bit deeper for the pin to sit in there. Okay, there is it. See, I cut it a little bit out for that pin to go in there. Let's see if it fits. It's perfect. I'm going to put some glue in here. I'm going to take this out. Then we're going to add some glue here. That's some glue. Always when you finish with this thing, turn this thing. Get the rifts is on the top side, and then it relieves the pressure in here. Then you won't run out this side. Just gonna go here. That's it. I think that's good enough. I'm not gonna bother with anything else. That's it. It's a nice fix. We'll just wait till it's dry, and then we just wash it off a little bit. It'll be fine. Okay, it looks like of the Soudal. They gave me the Soudal fix all stronghold 320 kilogram per 10 square centimeter bond sealing material surfaces. This will do the job. It's a little bit expensive, but I think it's the right thing to do. Now I'm just gonna put a weight over here and then nobody step on it till it's dry. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.